Imagine going into a grocery store with your phone, not having to deal with any of the people that are working there, and to buy all your groceries using your phone just by scanning it. That's the day and age that we live in, and that's what today's video is going to be about, the Amazon Go store. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So if you've been watching my videos in the past, you know I'm a big lover of technology, and today's video is talking about technology in a grocery store. And Amazon, one of the biggest tech giants in the industry, it's where I buy a lot of my products, it's where I sell a lot of my products, and it's where people go because of the convenience of being able to just order something online, stay home, and have it delivered at your house in 2 days. Well, now Amazon is dipping their foot into the grocery store industry, $1 billion industry where they're trying to take over that particular part of the world next. So will that be the case? Who knows? Amazon is pretty good at what they do, and in today's video I'm going to show you how they are getting ready to do that. Most recently, Amazon opened up a store in Seattle, an Amazon Go store there, where you just kind of walk up, you scan your phone, you go through like what's almost like a theme park amusement line, and then you walk into a grocery store. There's no people working around, and you just kind of grab your product off of a shelf. It instantly knows, because it's attached to your phone, which you picked on, and it adds it to your shopping cart as soon as you pick up the item. Say you're in there just to buy like peanut butter, or we'll just say peanut butter. You grab it, goes onto your phone, and then you pretty much just walk out, and it does it all based on scanning of your phone. And then as you walk out of the store, it'll charge to your Amazon account, and you don't have to deal with anybody. You probably bag it yourself, and it's just a new way that they're doing business like this. So it can be a polarizing topic to some people, because some people be like, it's machines taking away jobs from people. But you can look on the flip side of it, it is creating new jobs in the tech industry. So yeah, there can be arguments on which way is better. I'd love to hear your comments and down below of where you weigh in on this particular side of the situation. Now in this video, I'm going to show you some really good footage of an actual Amazon Go store. So we're going to be showing you in Chicago what it looks like to go into the Amazon Go store there, pick up product, and what it looks like around there. And then also I'll show you a newscast of people talking about the Amazon store in their city, and what a particular small-time business owner weighs in with his opinion on what this store is like. So let's go ahead and take you over to Chicago and show you what an Amazon Go store looks like.
I'm currently at the new Amazon Go store here in Chicago. Before you enter the store, you have to download the Amazon Go app. It's supposed to eliminate the need to check out. It's pretty cool that they're bringing this experience to Chicago. So gonna enter the store, so where do I tap it?
Right here.
Right here? Great, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Now that I got my chicken banh mi sandwich and my smart water, it's time to head out. And it's that easy? Yeah. You just walk out, that's it?
Right there, that's it.
Feels like I'm stealing this stuff, but I guess the future is here, guys. This is what the future of grocery shopping looks like. So I left Amazon Go about 10 minutes ago, and they got it exactly right.
Okay, now I'm going to show you guys some footage from a newscast where it's talking about an Amazon Go store that opened up in their hometown recently. Check it out.
Amazon is opening a concept store that exclusively sells items with 4-star ratings or higher in Berkeley, California.
Amazon comes to the block with a huge brand, and they will definitely attract their regular customers to come to 4th Street. That certainly can't hurt.
However, George Kiskaden, owner of Builders Bookstores on 4th Street, says that there's a disconnect between Amazon and the Berkeley community.
Their store, I mean, the thrust is this 4-star idea, 4-star or better. These are the greatest products in the world. Well, these are the greatest products in the world, perhaps to the majority of America, of the United States, but
the arrival of Amazon and other stores like Sephora and Apple reflect the changing nature of 4th Street, which has been long known as the center of independent boutiques.
Alright, so thanks for watching this video, guys. I would like to hear what you guys think on this and where you weigh in your opinion is on the Amazon Go store. Is it scary? Is it something that's taken away from people's jobs? Is it something that you're embracing when it comes to technology and you love the idea and the concept of this? So tell me what your guys' thoughts is in the comments down below, and that way I can talk to you guys and see where you weigh in on this. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Until then, be creative.